Okay, so I'm taking my AR apart, disassembling it, cleaning it, and this is the charger hammer come out. Well, for some folks, it's probably hard to put back in. I know it's trying to do it with one hand and record at the same time. Okay, there we go. We got the flags on. Okay, so I know it's gonna be kind of hard to put this back here when you're trying to hurry up and assemble it back together. But you don't put it right here. You put it right here at the back, right there. You slide it in like that, just a tad bit. Then you grab this. You want to make sure, don't have it like this. Have it like that, pushed out all the way. You flip it like that towards the bottom. Put it in there a little bit. Then once you do that, you're gonna slide it in. It's gonna go in. Boom. It's that easy. You know, you just put your gun back together.